On a typical fund deployment, let's say, Nataraj, you want to like say, okay, I have this specific point of view on where I think innovation is going to come from. And I have this group of people out there who are willing to back me. Like, let's say you want to raise a $50 million fund or $100 million fund, right? There is a lot of workflows you go through that are sequential, whether it's legal, like, that are extremely boilerplate, that are dependent on a lot of like movement within, whether it's AngelList or other similar companies, right? There's a lot of internal workflows that need to be executed on, right? And one of the metrics we track religiously is how long does it take for you to actually like deploy your fund or raise your fund or get set up for a fund. And we are increasingly using a lot of AI and automation to do that, right? Or things like on a this might be surprising, but it's actually more common than people think. Like you might have signed a legal doc that said something here, and then maybe like because usually in a fund formation there are like tens, if not hundreds, of docs that you're working with and your investors and whatnot, and you could have like said something else, like without inadvertently or without realizing that that completely changes the structure of how you think about your fund. So one of the things we do is like doc parsing, like being able to parse the doc and being able to give the information that is very relevant to you, and being able to automate your deployment, which reduces again, like now going back to the theme, is the thing that we always think about is how do we efficiently deploy this capital for you, right? Like so that be integral to that is how can we simplify the fund formation?